Okay, this is Saturday, and the beginning of the snow. It's just looking like light snow coming from looking on the radar. It looks real thin, and I don't know. I don't know about that blizzard they were talking about, but it's not Sunday yet. A little bit of snow that you see on the ground here. It's about 6 inches that we got. On what, Tuesday night, Wednesday, it ended Wednesday night, and I drove home or Wednesday. It was pretty cool. My brother had dug out the plow mounds so I could get up into the garage. That was pretty cool. But right now, it only seems like we got about an inch. On the radar again, it looks like waves of this kind. Not very heavy, light, but the winds are picking up, and we'll see how this day plays out. It's going to be like this all day today and half of the day tomorrow, Sunday. So yeah, there will be shoveling. It's the kind of shoveling that you toss it and it blows right back in your face. Well, that first clip was about 8 o'clock in the morning, and now it's about 20 after 9. We're getting gusts, some pretty good gusts now and again. I like that. And more. It's just starting. Yeah, okay, now it's coming down. They're in this area, just in this Carver County, right along the North Shore. They're expecting like 12 inches or more. You know, that's like a foot or so. Anyway, yeah, now it's starting to go. Now it's like whiteout conditions. Domino's is making it up the hill. Snow tires, I think. But yeah, it's really going now. Looks like they've been plowing. Yeah, it's here. Blizzard. Get some more look over here. That snow's piling up on stuff. And look at that. It's always interesting how the snow collects on those piers. Yeah, we got a lot of snow now. I bet it is up to the front, right up to the front step here. But the front step is high. It's been piling up on the front step too, so I think we already got 6 inches. Yep. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Snow's building up. Look at that. It's on the house. Damn. That snow building up on that pillar. This tiny little light I put on this thing works pretty good. Alright. That's about 10 o'clock, I think. Right now? 9 o'clock? I don't know what time it is. Oh well. Yeah, and I also got to show this. And over that it always tends to, when the snow's coming, the wind's coming from the lake, blowing giving us a blizzard like this, we get that big old hangover. Yeah, that's it. All right, so my brother just got done shoveling off the deck here, the porch top, but you know, the snow is already above. It's already above the top step. Already, yeah. Yeah, we got snow. It's above the top step. So yeah, here's all that. All that stuff piled up. Look at that. My brother shoveling that happened to fall off, but look at that, you know. That overhang, yeah, I think he knocked that down. That's what happened there. Yeah, it just got too heavy, and it wanted to come down on its own. So, anyway. Yeah, it's 9. It's 9:15 right now. And, yeah, snow. Got a lot of shoveling to do tomorrow. I'm gonna have to exercise my back. Look at that thing. Just gonna need a wipe. I don't think this thing is going to be able to show it, but this it is now well over the level of the front porch. I think we got 20 inches, and if we get another 10, I think we will have 30. So here I want to show right now the thickness. Zoom out a little. The buildup on this is, I haven't seen it that thick before. I've never seen it that thick. The snow's kind of sticky. And tonight or tomorrow night, I think tomorrow night it's gonna get cold. But it's gonna get like single digits. But things are going to start warming up again to around 30 degrees, which it is right about now. It's about 30 degrees. But look, yeah. That built back up again. But it's like a winter wonderland here. Look at that. I was looking earlier at what was going on there with that branch, but some of it blew down, but right down at the crutch. Let's see. Right down in there is that alone is better than 12 inches. But it looks like some of that blew off. Right there, but yeah, the crotches right down there. There's at least 12 inches there. There's got to be more now, because when I looked out there, it was easy to see how high it was, but I can't see it now. Can't see how high that thing is. Must be better than 12. Anyway. Yeah, great wiggly moogly. This is one for the records, folks.